It will be at least another day before we know the name of that sailor who died after contracting COVID-19 on the USS Roosevelt. That San Diego-based aircraft carrier is docked in Guam right now, while nearly 600 other sailors who tested positive remain in isolation. Our 10 News reporter Rachel Bianco spoke with one sailor's wife as she waits and worries.
Stephanie Hastings knew when her husband Christopher joined the Navy there would be sacrifices. What's happened aboard the USS Roosevelt is something, though, she did not expect.
It seems like there's one thing after another happening with all of them, and it's just been scary.
Monday, the Navy announced the sailor who was admitted to the ICU at the Naval Hospital in Guam died of complications related to COVID-19. The sailor tested positive for the virus March 30th. He was placed in an isolation house, but on April 9th was found unresponsive during a medical check. So far, more than 10% of the 4,800 on board have tested positive. Hastings' husband tested negative. He's at a hotel in Guam where he still gets daily temperature checks.
Back when it first started, he wasn't even worried about it, nothing. And then it just started spreading so fast. So it's been really stressful.
The Navy says 4 more sailors from the Roosevelt were admitted to the hospital over the weekend for monitoring, but all are in stable condition. The carrier has been the center of controversy after commanding officer Captain Brett Crozier sent a letter to military officials asking that the ship be evacuated due to the outbreak. He was removed from his post and later tested positive for the virus.
I think that it should have been taken more seriously, sooner. I think the captain did what he could.
The name of the sailor who died will be released 24 hours after his family is notified. Rachel Bianco, 10 News.